Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to show you how you can generate 5 to 10 free leads every single day with the free lead system. And the beauty of these leads is that you can promote your primary business on automation to these leads. I'll also show you a bit later on in the video how you can earn unlimited $6 commissions. You've got an option to do that, and I'll show you some proof that that works as well, some proof of commissions. So I'm live in my Gmail account here, and I started promoting this system just a few days ago. And to succeed online, the key thing is to be able to generate 5 to 10 leads every single day. And on the first day, 30th of April, is when I started this. I got a lead there. I got a lead on the 1st of May. On the 2nd of May, 10 leads came in. And then on the 3rd of May, 3 free leads. And so far today, 2 have come in. So the more you promote this system, the more leads that you're going to generate. It's a complete done-for-you system. You get a lead capture page done for you, exactly the same as this. So all you do is click the link in the description, and then you'll get an email notification of where you can log into the members area. And then when you go inside the members area, so you're just going to promote one link, this link here, to this lead capture page. And then when you go into the members area, you just get started in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is just to watch this short video here, and that just explains exactly how things work. Step number 2 is to enter your website below, and your website can be your primary business or it can be any offer. So you just put a URL in there, lead capture page into there, and click update, and then you don't even need an autoresponder for the free lead system, because what it does, it sends out emails automatically for you on your behalf, and it will have your primary business and your link within those emails. So you're not only generating free leads, you're also putting your primary business on promotion automatically. And then step 3 is advertise your link. So you're just going to promote one link. You see, that's my link there. And they've even got a training area to train you as well. So if you're brand new as a beginner online, just go into training here. Yeah, and if you want to learn how to generate some traffic, you've got beginner training here. So you just follow these daily videos for your learning system. Very, very simple. See here, free lead system. And then if you go into training here, it's a bit more of an advanced coaching and training there. So everything's here that you need to succeed. You've got all the training. I'll mentor you one-to-one if you want my help as well. And if I go over here, then I'll show you the option to upgrade. So upgrading is completely optional and not compulsory. But what you can do is you can start to earn unlimited $6 commissions with this system. So if you want to upgrade, it's $7 one time payment. And then what you'll do is, promoting the free lead system, you can earn unlimited $6 commissions. And you'll see so far here, so the upgrade is called Lead Lightning. And you'll see so far, just this week alone, I've made $24 here. That's live in my Gmail account there. So I've made $24 with that system. So just promote one link, and you've got some options there. You can either just promote the free lead system and generate the leads and promote your primary business to those leads, or you can upgrade and you can still promote your primary business to those leads and earn an additional income stream without any monthly membership costs. So very beginner friendly. If you're brand new, it can work for you as well. I also wanted to share with you my best free traffic sources. So even though you've got some training in the members area, these are my 5 free best traffic sources that I personally use every day. So if you want some one-to-one mentoring from me, My email address will be in the description, and I'm going to pin this blog post that I created to the top comment below this video. And there's 5 sources there that I use every single day that I would recommend that you start to use as well to generate leads and commissions. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then I've got to mention there's also a Facebook group. There's over 40,000 members in that Facebook group as well. So you're going to get all the help, support and training that you need in there as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video with anybody who you think would be interested in a free lead system. And if you enjoyed today's video, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about free lead system or lead lightning, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So if you click the link in the description, you can set up a free account and go inside the members area, and then you can start to promote your lead capture page and start to generate some free leads. And then you can also put your primary business in there and get some traffic onto your primary business on automation. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.